So to create a project in GitHub, first you need to type github.com. I have already signed in. You will have to sign up or sign in. So to create a new project, first you should click on new over here. Next you can name your project. I will simply name it as project C80. Next I can create my project, and to upload your file you can click on upload an existing file. Next you can choose your files. You can just click on choose your files and a pop-up will appear. You can just choose your files from here, and once you have chosen your files it'll upload them in your project. Once they are uploaded you can commit your changes. But this is not all. If you want your custom link like youtube.com, you go to their site. That is a link, right? For that, if you want to do that for your own project, you can go to settings, go down. Over here you can see GitHub pages, and over here it's saying that pages settings now has its own dedicated tab. You should just click on check it out here, and now you can see this source option and it will be set to none, and you could just take main if you want your own link, and then you can click on save. Over here a link will appear and you can use it, but not right now. There should be a green tick mark over here. You will just have to wait for a little while so you can reload your page. And now as you can see my link is created. If I click on it I can see my project. But if you want to share it to people, you can just copy your link and share it wherever you want, and it opens in any tab. Like as you can see it opens over here also. So yeah, you have your link right now. So that's it for this video. Bye.